ABC Reading Hub. Hi kids! Today we're going to practice reading simple sentences about community helpers, the amazing people who help us every day. Let's begin. She is a police officer. She is a police officer. Police officer. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Teacher. He is an engineer. He is an engineer. Engineer. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Doctor. He is a chef. He is a chef. Chef. She is a soldier. She is a soldier. Soldier. He is a fireman. He is a fireman. Fireman. He is a nurse. He is a nurse. Nurse. She is a secretary. She is a secretary. Secretary. He is a baker. He is a baker. Baker. He is a vet. He is a vet. Vet. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. Farmer. She is a mechanic. She is a mechanic. Mechanic. He is an artist. He is an artist. Artist. He is a mailman. He is a mailman. Mailman. He is a dentist. He is a dentist. Dentist. He is an attorney. He is an attorney. Attorney. He is a driver. He is a driver. Driver. He is a pilot. He is a pilot. Pilot. He is a fisherman. He is a fisherman. Fisherman. He is a carpenter. He is a carpenter. Carpenter. Great job, kids! Until next reading adventure.